Hey guys, it's day 4 of the 2022 SEMA show. We're showing off a lot of our new products for this year, including our new Pro Series MotoTurnz. They're turn signal inserts for your Harley bullet and flat style housings. With our new Pro Series MotoTurnz, you still get your halos, but you get a little more too. So you just take a magnet that's included with the kit, tap it to the lens, and you get a whole new running light mode. There's 8 different settings, front and rear. It's got a standard turn signal, but you can take your magnet, hold it to the lens for 3 seconds, and it takes it to a new turn signal setting. Six different turn signal settings for the front, 8 different for the rear. It's got a built-in brake flash that you can enable or disable. Flip your key on and off within half a second, and it turns on the bike night mode. So if you're at the show, be sure to come check it out. We're in West Hall, booth 58-209. We'll see you soon.